So hello guys and welcome to another J.A.R.V.I.S tutorial. So today we're gonna work on the design. First of all, before we actually go and draw some stuff for the design, I have a concept that is really simple, easy to make, easy to work with, really nice to create all the animations you want for it, and it's sort of like a starting position for you to create your own design. And it's really simple, doesn't even use so much texture, or it's not gonna cause huge usage of RAM or something like that. So we are currently in Photoshop, and we're gonna draw 4 circles. One is gonna be full and the other three are gonna be cut. Alright, so open up a Photoshop, go to File, go to New, and in this new window, let's call this circle 1 or whatever. Set the width to, I don't know, 500 pixels by 500 pixels. You don't have to do anything with this. Background should, let's say background could be white. Just move it to black and click OK. So here we're gonna have a layer that is actually a background for our actual design, and just give it a moment to be done. Alright, so here we are. We're not gonna use this, so this background thing, see it's locked, yeah, we're not gonna use that, so don't worry. What you're gonna do next is go to layer, go to new, and layer. Alright, so let's just call this not layer 1, let's just call this J1. And hit OK. It's gonna create a new layer here. You can see the background is there, but don't worry, layer is here. You need these rulers, so view, click on view, and you have rulers here. Alright, so you need them. It's you'll see why. So once you've done that, once you've activated the rulers, go to the top one, click and drag it, and you'll see when the ruler hits the center of the image. Do that also with the next one, with the one on the sides. So now what we need is full circle white. Let's say white. And actually, no, forgot. We need five of those. Definitely 5 of those. Alright, so the first one is gonna be full. So on this left menu, you see this cube here, which is this one. Right click on it and click the elliptical marquee tool. Yeah, something like that. And drag your mouse here in the center. Click on it. And on your keyboard, you can see it just pops up in one. On your keyboard, click Shift and click Alt, and it will resize the circle. Sorry. As so. So drag it to the end point of this. You'll see the pinkish lines there. So as for the color, what we need is sort of like grayish. Let's see. Let's move all the way down. Let's just pick this one. Click OK. You'll see the color is here. The white is there. Let's switch. Click Control D. Control and delete. You'll see how the circle is filled, but we don't want that entirely. So we're gonna set the opacity to, I don't know, 70. Come on. There. Alright, so this is going to be the center of our program. Alright, it's the middle point of it. Alright, so once you've done that, feel free to close this to remove these lines. and click this icon next to the layer. It's gonna remove the layer, but it's still gonna be there, and you'll see why. We'll come back to that in a second. Alright, so go to new layer, create a new layer. We're gonna call this J2, and again, what we now need is a also full circle, but not like the one before. So drag to the endpoint, release it. Up here in this menu, you'll see there's one cube here. The next one to it is two merged ones, and then the last one is like subtracted. Yeah, subtract from selection. You'll notice that because on this little cross here, you'll have the minus icon here in the bottom left, bottom right corner. So once you have one circle, you're gonna go here also to the center and just drag this circle to any position you want. So we want it to be not too thick, but somewhere around, let's say there, and let's just take it, and it's gonna be white, pure white. Alright, so close that, and that's for the circle number 2. Let's move on to J3. Alright, so here now what we want is, let's just drag these two rulers to, I don't know, one should be here and one should be there. Alright, so create another circle, approximate same. Turn this one on. Don't worry, if you have the second one turned on but you clicked on the third one, it's not going to do anything to the second one as long as the any other is clicked. So if you want to cut the third one and you have the second one over it, don't worry, it's not going to happen. It's not going to cause anything. Alright, so we want to paint this one white, and we're going to close the second one. What we now want is rectangular marquee tool. Alright, so we're in J3. What we want is, I want to cut out these two pieces. So click on this and click on rectangular marquee tool and click at the end point of our top one. You see how it marks all of these with pinkish lines. Do so in this rectangular position and just click delete, hit delete. It's gonna delete these two lines. Alright, so again, let's just make a few more. J4. Should we repeat that? No, probably not. It would be a bad idea. Alright, so let's just create a few more. We already have, what, 2 circles? We need several more. Alright, so do the same thing. Approximately there. Click on, I don't know, let's say gray. But now we're gonna use the Polygonal Lasso tool. It can be found right below it. You can right click, you have Lasso tool, Polygonal Lasso tool, or Magnetic Lasso tool. Alright, so what we now want to do is we want to cut certain points from our circle. So you can click on the center and just do this, and once you're done, hit delete. Alright, so let's just create 3 different one there. Let's just say, let's put one there. Alright, so we got that one. So we have the center one, we have the one on top of them, we have this one which is going to be before this one. What we now need is the one last piece of circle, which is going to be J5. Alright, so let's just make this one and we're done. Alright, so once you've done that, so we have one white, which is the center one, We have one gray on top of it. We have one white again on top of those. Alright, so let's put this one gray. No, my bad. Actually, no, it's perfectly fine. So white, gray, white, and this one is the last. It's gray. So take a Polygonal Lasso tool, and let's just cut. Simple thing. Alright, so this one is going to be more cut out. If, however, you want, I can leave these in the description down below for you. Alright, and we've got that one. This one actually is not that bad. Click on this eye icon next to it, so every one of them are shut down except for the background. Click on the first circle to display it, but click on the eye on the background, so it will make the background transparent, but it will keep the layer that is on. So go to File, Save As, and finally gonna save it. I'm gonna save it on desktop. I have J.A.R.V.I.S folder here, so this is gonna be called 1, and save it as PNG. Remember, JPEG saves with backgrounds, PNG doesn't. So close J1, open up J2. Same procedure. Go. Replace number 1 with 2. PNG, save. I'll just quickly save all of them. So, like I said, this is not something extra or something really, you know, design heavy, but I'm pretty sure that it's gonna be good for a starting position for anyone out there who is working on these things. Because, you know, why not? It's simple, easy to create. You'll do just fine with those, don't worry. And so yeah, definitely. In the next tutorial, we will be working in Visual Studio Blend to put all of these circles in one single program, and we're gonna make something pretty cool with it. Alright, so don't worry. So that's for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next J.A.R.V.I.S tutorial. And stay